Welcome back. My name is Jeff Petrella. I'm here today to talk to you from Shults Ford in Wexford, PA. I want to introduce you to the Ford Ranger. Ford Ranger was brought back in 2019 with an all-new body style and a larger design as opposed to the earlier small-size pickup. We now have a mid-size that competes with your other brands like your Tacomas, your Canyons, your Colorados. And when I say competes, it really does compete. The Ford took their Built Ford Tough and applied it right here into this mid-size truck. You have off-road ready capabilities, you have larger skid plates, you have larger knuckles on the tires. This thing is ready to take anything you can throw at it. Available in 4-door and 2-door options with the Super Cab, the extended cab here. You have the same wheelbase, so you have the choice of either having the full 4 doors with cruise space or having a 6-foot bed on the back with the jump seats in the back. Available in trim levels from the base XL for your crew trucks all the way up to the Lariat as we see here with all of the trim inside, leather interior, advanced cruise control with adaptive cruise, the works. The XLT trim level on up, you have the Sync 3 capabilities. Sync 3 allows you to do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to take a lot of the functionality of your phone and bring it to the touchscreen for easy compatibility. If you like the Ford onboard navigation, you have access to Sirius Travel Link for 5 years. Or if you prefer things like Waze, Google Maps, Apple Maps, you can use that from your phone right through the touchscreen using that Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. A very cool feature that the Ranger brought here that is going to be brought forward into the new Bronco are trail control modes. With a simple press of a button here, you can set this thing for slow crawling through the trails when you're off-roading. This will allow you to set the speed into a 1 to 5 mile an hour range to allow you to focus more on your steering and not having to worry about the acceleration and braking as you want to crawl through those mud puddles. One of my favorite features of the all-new Ranger is the class-leading 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This thing is capable of more than you would ever consider a 4-cylinder being able to do. You have a class-leading tow rating of 7,500 pounds, so this is going to be able to take all of your boats, trailers, quads, everything, wherever you need it to go. Thank you for listening. This has been the new 2019 Ford Ranger, available here at Shults Ford in Wexford, PA. If you have any questions, please contact me. My name is Jeff Petrella. You can reach me at 724-934-2388, and my extension is 1313. You can also shop online for the convenience of your home at shultsford.com.